we want to draw a diagram to represent the inequalities x is greater than -1 and less than or equal to 4. We want to leave the required region unshaded. Let's look at this inequality. Part of it is x is greater than -1. The other part is that x is less than or equal to 4. For this part we need to draw the line x is equal to -1. It needs to be a dashed line because the inequality is just a greater than, not a greater than or equal to. For this inequality we're going to need to draw x equals 4, and since it's a less than or equal to, it will be a solid line. So we need to draw x equals -1 as a dashed line. This is a vertical line going through -1 on the x-axis. We now need to draw x equals 4 as a solid line, and we need to label both lines. Now consider the region we want. X is greater than -1, so to the right of -1. X is less than or equal to 4, so on the line or to the left. This is the required region. We want to leave that unshaded, so we shade everything else.